In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Opera browser with password. We'll walk through using Opera's built-in password manager so your sign-ins are saved securely and ready to autofill when you need them. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. It's a good idea to make sure you're on a recent version so menus look the same and security features are up to date. Once Opera is open, look to the left side of the window and click Settings. This opens the control center for how Opera behaves, including privacy and security features. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Autofill and Passwords, then open Password Manager. This is where Opera stores your website logins. Behind the scenes, Opera encrypts your saved passwords and protects them with your device's sign-in. So if someone tries to view a password, they'll typically be prompted to authenticate on the computer first. That way, your credentials aren't just sitting in plain text. Now, add a secured login. Click Add, and you'll see fields to enter the site, your username, your password, and an optional note. In the site field, type the website address you want Opera to recognize. Enter the exact username you use on that site and the correct password. The note field is helpful if you want to remind yourself which account this is for or add any context you'll need later. When everything looks right, click Save. From here on, Opera can offer to autofill this username and password on that site, saving you time and reducing the chance of typing mistakes. For best results, use a strong, unique password for each site and keep your computer account protected with its own secure sign-in so no one else can view your saved logins. If you share a computer, consider using separate user accounts to keep your data private. That's it. You've set up Opera's password manager and saved a login securely, giving you convenient access while keeping your credentials protected.